see your hair? Wow, love it. Let me see your hair, Nikki. Wow.
Mommy, tap your phone. Tap your phone. Tap your phone. Tap your phone. Ah, stop it. Don't get some speaker. I don't want mine long.
Well, I need to put your hairs up because
I want
you're going
a
to school.
ponytail.
You want a ponytail?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want a ponytail.
Do you want a ponytail as well?
Yeah, I want to be Meryl.
Okay.
I want to be
We're gonna grab some gel. I'm using this gel. Oh. And I'm gonna just dab in. Leave it there. Didi, don't touch. I'm gonna put it all around the ends of the hair. And then I'm going to just... No, Didi. I'm gonna need to take this gel away from Didi because she's gonna...
Mommy, look, it's dirty.
fingers
That
on
was dirty.
No, I'm just gonna pick up every...
Mommy, looks right dirty.
Gonna pick up the hair from every single side. Are you okay?
Look, Mommy, it's dirty. That's a blue jelly.
Didi, are you on the table?
Look, that's jelly.
Get down.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Sit down already. Hello. Mommy, that's a blue. It's a liar.
Can you please not move?
No, don't lick it, don't lick it, don't lick it. Don't lick it. No! Don't lick it, Didi. That's yucky. You don't eat hairs. That's very dangerous, Mia. You're not put in the microwave. It's very dangerous. I like doing hairstyles though. Hairstyles? It's up. It didn't work.
And then
You have to brush
just
your
gonna
hair.
put it up in a ponytail. Like this. Hold on.
Look like a ponytail.
Hold on. Careful. Are you okay? Let me see. You're okay. Good job. Okay, you're ready. Are you done? You next?
Yeah, ponytail.
You want a ponytail too? Okay, gonna go with the same. We really need to clean up this mess in here. That's okay. Yeah, but you guys can share the balloon. That balloon was mine. I don't know how it became theirs. And now you guys are fighting or stop fighting. Oh, can I have peace for one day? Yes. Mia, can you turn this way, please?
Mommy,
This way,
you
yeah.
don't tell me the balloon.
No, she isn't, is she?
Yes, you don't want to share with me.
Didi, can you please share the balloon with Nikki? Please. Good job.
Then she gave it to Nikki.
Yep.
Oh.
You see? You don't see them from here.
I can see from the
There's Didi.
Yummy.
It smells good, but it's not for eating.
Yummy. It's not good for eating. It smells like candy. So like candy.
I need to use a lot of gel for your hair because your hair is like everywhere.
If you didn't know, it was jail. But I wish I
Yeah, we need a lot of wax for this.
And where's the diamond in there? Where's the diamond in there? Ooh, brush. You eat some clean hair, baby. Ah! Didi? No, baby. No, I don't want.
Okay, I think I am sort of done.
I think I'm ready
It's so hard to hold it.
Oh.
No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. So many brushes in here. I need to fix this right now. As soon as I'm done with your hair, I need to fix that because it's so So I'm just gonna pull it here. Like that. There we go. 1 second. Girls.
What? I want to do this.
There we go. And if I can't get a single part, I'm just gonna put gel on it so it holds.
Jelly. It's on ready to Mommy. It's Mommy with
So it
diamond.
sticks.
Mommy, it's a diamond. Oh, it's in the diamond. Now it's in the diamond. Mommy, that's in the diamond.
No.
Mommy, that's
No touching. Hey! Can you guys stop?
That's it.
That's
a
it.
diamond.
Wait.
That was a diamond.
Yeah.
That's diamond. Mommy, you threw diamond.
Okay. Hold on. Let's go.